How to activate Capital One credit card online. Hey everybody, welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step process of how you can activate your Capital One credit card online. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Head over to any of your web browser. At the top search bar, simply type in www.capitalone.com. As you do so, you will land onto its official website. Now here, go onto the first tab of credit cards. And under Common Account Task, click on to activate credit card. Here it will show you two options. Click on to sign in and activate. Here simply type in your username. Once done, head over to password box and enter your password. In case you would like this site to remember your user ID, then check the box that says remember me. Once done, click on to sign in. And once you're signed in to your Capital One account, it will show you the option that says activate credit card. All you have to do is click onto it, enter your PIN number, and just like so, this is how you will be able to activate your Capital One credit card online. So that wraps up today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then all you have to do is comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell icon so that you will get a notification whenever we post. Thank you for watching. We will catch you up soon.